deep winter, the body asks for nourishment that reaches all the way down. When digestion slows, when energy dips, when inflammation hums in the background, we turn to foods and roots that rebuild strength and rekindle digestive fire. Fermented grains, like barley or millet, are winter's quiet powerhouses. Fermentation activates enzymes that help the gut break down food more efficiently, perfect for slow transit and the heaviness that settles in during cold months. These grains become easier to digest, more bioavailable, and deeply nourishing. Earthy, grounding, warm. A fermented mash or porridge that feeds both body and microbiome. Next, we bring in yellow dock, a bitter root that wakes up the liver. Its bitterness stimulates bile flow, helping the body process fats, clear stagnation, and move inflammation. In winter, when the digestive fire dims and the system feels sluggish, yellow dock acts like a spark, subtle, steady, and deeply supportive. And then there's black pepper, a spice that brings heat and movement. As a thermogenic stimulant, it increases circulation, warms the core, and even enhances nutrient absorption. We see here some of the uses recognized in Chinese medicine. For example, stimulating the digestion, warming the middle, resolving mucus damp, and relieving abdominal fullness. Whole peppercorns can even be brewed as a tea, and they can be added to broths and soups to give an Asian flavor. In cold seasons, this tiny seed becomes a powerful ally, helping the body digest more fully and stay warm from the inside out. Together, these three create a matrix of deep nourishment and digestive fire. Fermented barley or millet for enzyme activation, yellow dock for bile flow and liver support, black pepper for thermogenic warmth and activation. This combination is best for depletion, slow transit, and low-grade inflammation. The patterns winter tends to amplify. In the stillness of winter, nourishment becomes a ritual. These earthy, grounding allies rebuild strength, warm the core, and help the body digest the season with ease. A bowl of warmth, a spark of fire, a return to deep nourishment.